Hello everyone, welcome back to your EVS class. Today we are going to discuss about the sixth chapter, that is people who help us. Is it? So in the last class we have discussed about our neighborhood. In this class we are going to discuss about how our neighborhood help us. How our neighborhood help us. We are going to discuss on this topic in today's class. See, what are the neighborhoods? That is the place which are present beside our home, that are school, market, hospital, post office, police station, places of worship. So these are the places of neighborhood. We call these places as the neighborhood. Is it? So in today's class we are going to discuss about how these neighbors help us. So the first concept that we are going to discuss, that is at school. See, at school how your friends and your teachers help you. See, your friends help by giving textbooks, notes, pencils. Is it? Your friends help you by giving books, pencils and sharing the lunch boxes. So these are the help done by your friends. And how teachers help you? Teachers help you by giving knowledge to you. By giving knowledge to you. So this is about the teacher and your friends. Then what about the cleaner? What about watchman? So these are also plays a very important role in helping you. See, in your textbook of page number 186, they have given the detailed information about how our neighborhoods are help us. See, the first point they have given: in school, teachers help you to learn the new things, and the cleaner which keeps school neat and clean, gardener who take care of the plants, and also he makes that garden or school look beautiful. So these are the some people they are helping you. Is it? So write down. Teachers help us to learn new things. To learn the new things. After that, the cleaner keeps school neat and clean. And after that, here gardener. Who is gardener? Who take care of the garden. Is it? Here the gardener who take care of the plants. The gardener who take care of the garden here. Okay, if he or she take care of garden, then the garden looks beautiful. Is it? So this is a kind of help. It is done by gardener. After that, watchmen, they take care of our school. Watchman takes care of of our school. After that, here bus driver. How bus driver or bus uncle helps you? The bus driver drives bus safely from home to school. Home to school and school to home. Okay, so these are the people who are helping us at school. Those are teachers, cleaner, watchman, gardener and bus driver. Here teachers help us to learn the new things. They help us by giving knowledge, by teaching the subjects. And here cleaner, he or she keeps our school neat and clean. Gardener, who take care of the garden. If he take care of the garden, then the garden will look very beautiful. Watchman, who take care of our school. If he is taking care of our school, then we are safe. So this kind of help is done by watchman here. And in which kind here bus driver help you? Bus driver, he drives a school bus and he drives safely from the home to school and school to home. He drop you from school to home and home to school. So these are the help which are done by our neighbors, that is at school. At school these members they help you. This is about the school. Next, that is at the hospital. Next, that is at hospital. Okay, so at a hospital who are they? Doctors and nurses. How they help you? They help you when we feel illness, when we are suffering from some diseases, then doctor and nurses will take care of us. They give treatment to us by giving medicines and injections. So this kind of help is done by doctors and the nurses. Understood how they help? They help by giving injections, medicines to us when we feel illness or when we fall in the diseases. At that time they help us. Understood how they help us? So write down. Doctors and nurses help us, or you can write here, doctors and nurses look after us when they look us when we fall sick, when we are feeling not good, or when we are suffering from some diseases. At that time doctors they look after us when we fall sick. And with that they give medicine, when we fall ill. See here, doctors and nurses, they look after us when we fall sick and they give medicine when we are suffering from some diseases. So this kind of help is done by doctors at hospital. So hospital is our neighborhood. So in that, who are living? Doctors and nurses. It means they are our neighbors, and those neighbors, doctors and nurses, they take care of us when we feel illness, when we fall in some disease, when we fall in sick. At that time they treat us and give the medicines. So this kind of help is done by the doctors at the hospital. Is it? So these are the school and the hospital. These are the two neighborhood. In school, here teachers, friends, cleaner, watchman, bus driver, they all help you. And at the hospital, doctors and nurses help you by giving medicines and all. Is it? So this is about the at school and the at hospital. The next neighborhood, that is at market. So in the market, how the people help us, we are going to see now. Do you know what is market? Yes, what is market? Market is nothing but it is a place where we can buy or purchase jewelries, clothes, vegetables, and there may be a medical shops, a lot of shops which are present in the market. Then how the people who are there in market, how they help you? Yes, how they help you? See, when we are purchasing some things from the salesman, at that time he gives us in a proper rate. They help us for purchasing the things. So this kind of help is done by the sellers. Understood? See, by explaining the concept, you just open your textbook and go on reading what I am telling. See this picture. This is called as the market. Here vegetables are there. Okay, kirana shops are there. City furniture shop is there, and cloth shop is there. So all type of shops are there in the market. See, in the market, a greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. The one who sells the fruits and vegetables, for them we call it as the greengrocer. Here the greengrocer, they sells grain, pulses and other small things of daily use. What are the daily uses requirements are there? That is sales by the grocer. Understood? So this is the help done by the grocer. Grocer means one who sells the vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses and all small things that are needed for our daily use. So write down, dear student, how here grocer help us. The greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. Okay, by selling the fruits and vegetables, these grocers help us. By selling fruits and vegetables, these grocers help us for the purchasing these fruits, vegetables and pulses, grains. Is it? So instead of fruits and vegetables, these grocers also sells grains and the pulses. The grocer sells grains, pulses and other small things and other small things of daily use. So what are the daily use things are there? That is sold by these grocer. After this grocer, we have one more, that is the draper. See, draper is nothing but one who sells the cloth. The draper sells cloth. And after this, we have cobbler here. Cobbler mends shoes. See here, greengrocer who sells the fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses and other small things of the daily uses. And here the draper is nothing but one who sells the cloth. Okay, here draper help us by selling his cloth which are present in his shops. Here draper means one who sells the cloth. And next one, that is cobbler. Cobbler is nothing but one who sells the shoes. One who sells shoes. That we call it as the cobbler here. Next, that is, all of you know who is tailor? Tailor stitches the cloths. See, here draper is different from the tailor. Tailor who stitches the cloths and draper who sells the cloth, means whatever the stitched cloths are there, that is sold by this draper. Understood? Next, that is a carpenter. A carpenter. Carpenter makes furniture in shop. Makes furniture in the shop. So this is about the market. At market, so many places are there, like cloth centers, shoe centers, tailors, carpenters, medicals. So all type of shops which are there, which are present in the market. Here greengrocer who sells the fruits and vegetables, and grocers are, see, greengrocer who sells the fruits and vegetables, grocer nothing but who sells the grains and pulses. Remember, greengrocers who sells only fruits and vegetables, and here grocer who sells grains and pulses, and draper who sells the cloth, cobbler he mends the shoes, tailor who stitches the cloth, and the carpenter who makes the furniture in the shop. So in this way, our neighbors there in market, they help you in this way. See, if they are helping us, the teachers, okay, first we'll say at school. At school, teachers, friends, cleaner, watchman, bus driver all help us. At the market, shopkeeper, tailor, carpenter, this draper, grocer all help us. And at the hospital, doctors and nurses help us. See, in these all kind, they are helping us. Then what we are doing? Yes, we also help them. Okay, if in case they want any help, you have to do. So that is your rights. Why? Because if they are helping you means we also must and should help them. If we are helping each other, they are nothing but our neighbors only. So if the neighbors are helping us means we also help them. Okay, so that will create a very good bonding between you and your neighbors. If once you create a good bonding between you and your neighbors, then automatically you are a good neighbors. If you want to a good neighbors, then you have to create a good bonding between you and your neighbors. You have to love them, you have to take care of them, and you have to understand them. You have to help them. Then only we can be a best, we can be a good neighbors for our neighbors. Is it? So this is about the neighbors, how they help us. So in today's class we have discussed about how the neighbors, that is at school, at hospital and at the market, how the people help us. Okay, we have discussed these three concepts in this class. In next class we are going to discuss about the remaining three neighbors, that is post office and next one, that is police station and at the fire station. How these all people, how these all neighbors they help us. We are going to discuss this concept in the next class. Till that, dear students, bye bye, take care.